Nigeria had many political parties, and even though a lot of them don't exist till they did well when they did, the Unity Party of Nigeria was one of the political parties Nigeria had. It was also one of the parties to be formed immediately Nigeria got a freedom to start forming political parties from the military government. Chief Obafemi Awolowo was the founder of the party. Some of his top friends like Chief Adekunle Ajasin and Professor Ambrose Ali were members of the party. Although many members of the party were also members of one of the first parties in Nigeria, the Action Group. The party aimed to give everyone free education and free health service to everyone. Not only that, they wanted everyone who needed good jobs to get it. The Unity Party of Nigeria did well for themselves. They won 5 elections in 5 different states in 1979 and lost 1 in 1983. The party was so strong that it made the other parties, especially the NPN, that they didn't have as much power as they thought they did. And finally, the party opened the eyes of Nigerians to political activities like rallies and conferences that would educate them on the need for politics. Thank you, and bye for now.